Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here, and today I want to share with you some information on a collaboration that's starting that's specifically for Valentine's Day. This is called Cupid's Creations. It's being hosted by Gail's Southern Living, Life in the Piedmont, and myself, Tammy at Mountain Grandma. We're all going to have playlists down in our description box, and everybody has an intro video coming out today. This collaboration runs from January 20th to Valentine's Day, February 14th, and we're going to be sharing all kinds of fun things you can make for Valentine's Day for your spouse, for your kids, for your parents, for your friends, whatever. All kinds of fun stuff. Bath and body goods, baked goods, paper crafts, and Valentine's Day meals, soaps, lotions, bath salts, bath bombs, sewing things, crafting items to do for yourself, with your kids, all kinds of fun stuff. Again, this is hosted by 3 channels: Gail's Southern Living, Life in the Piedmont, and myself, Mountain Grandma. Cupid's Creations. I've got a playlist down in the description box, and I hope you'll follow us along. And until I see you next time, folks, keep your joy, and I'll see you on the next one.